Hi riders! If you want serious reviews, the latest motorcycle news, action and sound videos of the hottest motorcycles, join us to Bikers Club.
The 2022 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S gets chassis updates and a motor upgrade to make it the sportiest lowrider yet. The 679-pound motorcycle is hurried along with a new Milwaukee 8 117 power plant that grunts out 125 feet to pounds of torque at 3,500 revolutions per minute. The rider sits behind a headlight shroud and rides on Michelin Scorcher 131 tires on cast aluminum radiate wheels, 19/16-inch pairing with a dark bronze finish. Generous suspension travel graces the 2022 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S with over 5 inches of travel for the Showa 43mm inverted fork and 4.4 inches of rear wheel travel controlled by the single Showa shock. The seat height is raised to 28 inches in exchange for an additional 1.3 degrees of cornering clearance over last year's edition. When you need to slow down, a pair of 300mm discs worked on by 4 piston calipers get the job done, along with a 292mm rear disc. The Low Rider line has long been associated with West Coast styling. The 2022 Low Rider S is blacked out, has a 1-inch handlebar grasped by a 4-inch rider, a scoop solo seat, and mid-position foot controls. You can have any color you want, as long as it's vivid black or, for $450 more, gunship gray. The MSRP is $18,349, though you'll be asked to pay a $600 surcharge to cover the rising materials costs.